Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a Riptide Blue Metallic. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Taking a look inside, we have our gorgeous jet black interior, cloth seats, heated on both sides, with our power seat controls here on the left-hand side. If we take a look up, you'll find our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here to the left, and right down below you'll find our dual climate controls. To the right of that, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, and across the way here on the left-hand side, you'll find our push-to-start ignition. This vehicle also does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start, as well as down below you'll find additional storage with our 2 cup holders, our shifter, more storage here on the left-hand side, and inside the middle console we have our wireless charging pad, our USB-C and USB charge ports, AC outlet, and additional storage up top. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, as well as our adjustable side mirrors. By our handle we have our power locks, as well as over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. If we take a look at the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, our cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we throw this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a lovely rear view camera. And if we take a look up top, we do have our OnStar as well. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior cloth seats. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, we have our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. We also have some more space if we lift up the seats, and additional cubby space on the door panel. Checking out the exterior here on this gorgeous LT Trail Boss, we have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille, red tow hooks along the bottom, LED headlights and fog lamps on the front. Take a look at the side here, we have our Bridgestone tires on our lovely 20-inch black rims. We have our black accent side mirrors with black accent side handles with keyless entry, as well as black running boards along the bottom. We also do have tint in the front and back windows, soft tonneau up top, and our Trail Boss decal along the side. We also have our corner assist steps on each side as well, with our Chevrolet badging at the back with our dual chrome exhaust. If we open up the inside here, you'll see we do have our lovely spray-on bed liner with our 120 volt outlet here on the right hand corner. And that is our 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a gorgeous Riptide Blue Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.